Hi, I'm Shar and this is Dieting with a Life. We're going to make today a olive aioli. For me, I like to make this a little bit spicy, so I get the olives that are stuffed with jalapenos, but you can also get the olives that are stuffed with garlic. You can put anything you want in it. You can put Chinese hot mustard, you can put Frank's hot sauce, that's also keto. The Chinese hot mustard adds a little bit of carbs to it, so Frank's does not. There's no carbs in Frank's. So if you want to add some spice to it, by all means. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing, I'm going to get a cup of Primal Kitchen mayonnaise. Now I use Primal Kitchen because it's absolutely keto. It's made with olive oil. There's no sugars, there's no inflammatory oils in this, where a lot of them that you see have canola oil, and that's inflammatory. So I really love using Primal Kitchen, and I'll get my wonderful hubby to link that in the description for you. So I'm going to use 1 cup of Primal Kitchen mayonnaise. It's a little, I'd say a little more tart than a lot of mayonnaises, but I really like it. Okay. So next, you can use these if you don't want to. I cook my bacon in my air fryer, and I also use this on top of it with a plate below it, that way in my air fryer, and I cook it for 400 at about 20 minutes, and that way I get to save the bacon grease, and I also get some yummy homemade bacon. So I use it, that's about 1/4 cup. Now you can decide to put garlic in yours. The last time I did this, I actually made it with the olives and garlic stuffed, so it was really, really good.
How much?
Of the garlic, maybe 1/2 teaspoon. Thanks, honey. Alright, so, and you notice I do this with my brawn. It doesn't whip it up or mush it up. It leaves it just quite a bit chunky, and it only takes about 3 or 4 quick taps to get it to the perfect consistency for your aioli. Now this aioli can go on, oh, my husband loves it on hamburger patties, don't you, honey? Mm-hmm. Can go on hamburger patties. My mom and I actually made cheese chips and used it for our cheese chips. That was pretty awesome. And I'm going to add about 1/2 teaspoon or so of Frank's hot sauce, because I like everything spicy. And you just mix it up. And that's it. Pop it in a bowl, put a lid on it, and it will stay for as long as your mayonnaise will stay. And that is keto. Thanks for watching.